Hello everyone, welcome back. I want to say thank you very much to everyone who wished me happy birthday. This is my birthday month. I was born on the 1st of October, but the whole month is my birthday month. So I thank everyone that wished me happy birthday and everyone who's going to wish me happy birthday when they see this video if they didn't know it was my birthday. I appreciate all your kind words. I appreciate all your beautiful and kind words. I appreciate it very much. And again, a big shout out to my fans, my subscribers, my viewers, my YouTube family. I want to say thank you for giving me my birthday wish. 700 subscribers. Yay to us. Thank you. Yay to us. We are a solid group of wonderful, beautiful men and women in this YouTube world. Let us keep up the good work and let us keep watching out for each other. I am sharing my cake with you, so I'll put a picture of my cake with you. That's celebration for us. We start our video now. Let us go out and have fun. If you have a palette, pull it out. Let us play makeup. Put it all over your face if that's what you feel like doing today, and then wash it all off and laugh and smile and bring a little joy to yourself. Life is hard, life is short. Let us live it the best way possible. Now, we are playing with makeup. There will be a little story time going as I do the video. So keep watching, keep listening, keep commenting, and let us keep growing together. I am using the Milani a Hunted Hollow. Hello everyone, welcome to Simply Makeup. I am V. I'm glad that you stopped by today. In my videos, you will see that while creating a makeup eyeshadow look, I like to talk about real life stories and real life circumstances. If this is something that you like, I'd appreciate if you keep watching because it gets very interesting. And also, subscribe, leave your comments below because your comments might help me or somebody else. You never know who your comment is going to help. I appreciate you always. Well, today it is when I was growing up in Dominica. I remember we used to have Saturday cleanings, and it was always a lot of work. I didn't like to do all the work, and I would get really mad on a Saturday because I want to go out and run and play, and my mom would say, it is Saturday and everybody cleans. If anybody watching this video from the islands, the Caribbean, you know when it was cleaning day, everything in the house comes out. And I mean everything. If it was a nice sunny day, the mattress goes outside. We take everything out, and we had wooden floors, so we would scrub it, rinse it out, let it dry, and then bring back everything. We would carry water, and my mom would wash. One would wash, one would rinse. Back in the day, they have something they call blue. It's a little blue cube you buy, but when you finish washing the clothes, what it was is you wash your clothes, you rinse it, sometimes 2-3 rinses, and then there is a big tub we would fill with water, and my mom would put the blue in there, melt it, and then take the whites and dip it in there and wring it and hang it on the line to dry. Oh, it makes the clothes look so bright and pretty. When all of that was done, we would carry water so we can bathe or shampoo our hair. And I mean, it would be a constant all-day thing. But at the end of the day, it was so rewarding because you get to go run up and down and play while your hair dry, because we shampoo our hair and then it would have to air dry. But this is how we did things, and those memories are so nice when you can sit back on a day when maybe it's just nice and quiet, and you can think about you can picture you running up and down the dirt, because in the islands very few yards were concrete back then. So we would wake up in the morning and we would have like a broom, and it was made out of, if you know, a palm tree. We would take the palm tree leaves and we would take the leaves out, and what was left was that we call it cocoye, and we would do enough of that where we have like a little broom, and we would sweep. It's dirt, but we sweep it, and when you finish it looks so nice, you would be surprised. And we would take the dirt and dump it somewhere else, and we would repeat that the next day and the next day. I mean, but it just made it look so different than just a bunch of loose dirt. So we would use that, and like I say, the broom, we call it cocoye broom. And we would take after we take the leaves out, we would take that and make like little straw. We would plait it into like a straw braid, and we used to take that and make different things with it. I mean, it was just, we really did repurpose. When you really look at it back in the day, we repurposed a lot of stuff. It didn't seem like that back then. It just felt like you're poor, but now when you look at it, you can see you were rich within yourself and didn't even know it. So, and I remember on Sundays we had children's dance. My mom would give us a quarter each and tell us, go have as it was called, children's dance. She said, go ahead, have children's dance, but as soon as it's over, you all need to head back home. And when she tells that, she means it, because she'll come look for you. But I loved children dance. I love music. I love dancing. So I was always excited. I mean, I would wake up, wake up early Sunday morning. Sometimes I go to 6 o'clock service with my mom, or sometimes I go to the 9 o'clock service, and my mom would give me a quarter. No, she would give me a dime back then. And that was to buy something they call soda. It's really a sweet bread, but in Patwa we call it soda. And after service, the ladies would be out there, and they would sell different stuff. They would sell coconut sugar, which we call tablet, which is coconut, brown sugar and spices, and you caramelize it, and they make it into like a nice, they shape it nice, so you get to buy it. Then there was coconut cheese, which you use coconut milk, the spices and everything, and make it, and it comes out like, it's really a fudge, but we call it coconut cheese in Dominica. And I couldn't wait to spend my dime, because then I had to pick. Some days it was so hard to pick which one, because I love the coconut cheese. You put it in your mouth and it melts, and it was sweet and it was delicious. So, but I also like the soda, because sweetbread, they make it like a nice flat pastry, and then she slice it. If you want 10 cents, she give you 10 cents. If you want 25 cents, you get 25 cents, like this. And I mean, I look forward to that on Sundays. And then after church, I'd walk up, stop by my grandmother, and she would give me stuff to eat. She would be always happy. One thing with my grandmother, she was always happy to see me. And I would stop there and we would talk, and it was always fun. I mean, life was hard, but I remember in all of that hardship, there was a lot of fun, there was a lot of laughter, there was a lot of togetherness. I mean, it was something to look forward to. Most of the time, 80% of the time, I had no shoes on, because you either had one shoe for church, and we call it our Sunday best, and one flip-flop, which we call push-in, for school. So during the week, you can wear your push-in if you want to, but when it bursts, you gotta figure out how to fix it. So if my push-in wear out, sometimes it wear out on one side, and we used to call it Dunlop push-ins. and they were different colors. They had the red, the blue, the green, the yellow. And I remember having the yellow one. Every year I would change what color I get. And then after school every night I would take water and a brush and some soap and I would wet the pushing and scrub it. It would look so new. I did that every night until the pushing really started looking old and worn out. And then the thong section of the pushing would wear off after a while. So what I would do, I'd take a pin and I would put across so it wouldn't come up. And I'd walk with that until the pin wear out and then do it all over again until the shoe was like completely gone. But I was very proud and happy to be creative with my shoe because it gave me the opportunity not to walk on the hot asphalt pavement, because the asphalt pavement gets really hot during the day. So when you're walking, sometimes I used to walk on the side of my feet so the bottom of my foot don't get burnt and stuff like that. But these are the things we did to navigate and to survive and to do the things you have to do. So if I am here today with you smiling, I'm smiling to let you know that your tough times don't last. Your tough times make you strong. When you dig deep inside to find your strength, you will find it. It takes a little while. Nothing happens right away. Nothing ever happens right away. But have faith, have hope, stand still and dig deep and look for the things that will encourage you and give you strength in the moment that you need it. Again, always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I am telling you to go out there and live a fabulous life, because life is very, very, very short. In an instant, one of us will be gone. So please enjoy life safely, but have a little joy, have a little fun, have a little bit of relaxation. Just take a few minutes for yourself a day.
This is today's look.
And just inhale deep breaths. And
I hope you had fun creating something.
That you
Follow along, create your own thing, have fun. I hope you did. This is the look for today. Now, my look is done. I am going to clean and then cook. Enjoy your day. Be safe, be fun. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I Simply Makeup is saying to have a fabulous, beautiful, encouraging day. Bye.
I love you all. Bye-bye.